Hello friends, my name is Samani Patnaik and today I am going to show you an experiment. Now you will be thinking what will happen if we mix baking soda, citric acid and gelatin. Now let's do this experiment. First I have 3 balls in which half water is filled. Now I'll take one of them, then I'll take my gelatin and put it inside the water. Now I'll mix this with a piece of bird. Now this diluted gelatin should look something like this. Now next I'm taking another ball and using my baking soda. Well, the chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3 and gelatin is C6H12O6. Now next I am taking my citric acid. The chemical formula of citric acid is C6H8O7. Well, citric acid also looks like sugar. Now we have our diluted gelatin, diluted citric acid and diluted baking soda. Now I am going to mix these three. First, here. Now here foam comes out. Thank you.